Got one on the buzzbait.
I'd appreciate it if you talk to me with your friends from now on, if you'd refer to me as the shallow jerkbait master. I was in like 2 feet of water.
Hey guys, so it's the next day after fishing that windy ass delta. I kind of wish I stayed home yesterday. I wish I would have checked the forecast. It was blowing a solid 12 to 15 miles an hour all day, making it nearly impossible to fish. I had backlash after backlash. It was just overall a very frustrating day. I managed to catch a few, got them on the boat. Next time I'm definitely checking the forecast, because not only was it really dangerous with the wakes and the wind, but it was tough as hell. It was really tough, and I'm fortunate I caught what I caught, but next time I'm gonna check that forecast. So stick around and check out my catches, and if you're not already, please subscribe and like the channel. Thanks guys. We don't really have a low tide today. Everything's pretty much a high tide, dude. Got one on the buzzbait. Side hooked. Ooh. Came and snagged it. First one of the morning. Tiny keeper. Oh, you got belly hooked. First one. Do I want to keep fishing the same area for that little fish? Probably not. But hell, let's throw a few more in there. Oh, that was a bad one. Let's throw a few more in there and see if we can't get lucky. Did we get lucky? Did we get lucky? Oh, dinks. never know. You catch them all sizes. This one got all 3 in them. Wow. I'm impressed. All right, number 2. Scared me.
You know, the wind factor, I just threw it over the building.
I was like, I'm getting bit over here, but they're jumping right next to me. Branch in the water over there. I like that. Hit it on the fall. Number 3 still sucks.